What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I've been looking for some camo wrap for a few weeks now and I came across some on eBay, and I've been specifically looking for like a white grayish camo, and when I found it I was pretty excited. It was pretty cheap, so that did have me a little nervous, but once I received it I was actually very impressed for the price. The texture, everything about it looked really good. So as soon as I got it, I ran out to the car, I started ripping off the spoiler, and the spoiler was held up by double-sided tape, which I did make a video of that about a year ago or more, and I showed the whole install and everything. So if you want to check that out, I'll drop a link for that in the description or on here somewhere. I brought it inside, I laid out the wrap, I put the spoiler on it, just cut it out, then I started wrapping it. The wrap did come out very nice. I am a big fan of how it looks. Grabbed some double-sided tape, I put it on the spoiler, I went outside, did the install. But once I was done, I took a step back and looked at it, and I don't know, it just doesn't match. Like, the wrap looks clean, it looks really good, for sure, I think at least. But it just doesn't match the car in my opinion, and I'm not sure if it's because the white on the wrap is a different white from the car, from my car. I'm thinking the little trim right here that I wrap black, I should wrap it with the camo instead, and maybe there will be more of a better flow. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's the beauty of wrap, is that you can just rip it off if you don't like it, which is great, because then you're not stuck with it like if you spray painted it or something. But it is a pain in the ass, especially if you buy cheap wrap. I'm gonna give it a few weeks, I'm gonna see how I like it. If I don't, I'll just rip it off, keep it black. Just a quick little update, quick little mod that, quick little thing that I want to do to my car that I wanted to share with you guys. Again, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I post a lot of my updates. I'll drop that link below. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys clicking on the video.